In my house, the sparrow has laid the nest and it has delivered the eggs, and now those eggs have become the full grown live kid sparrows. So it is created the nest by putting hard work for 15-20 days, and it is created back of the my AC, bedroom AC. You see the other side.